Then the Badito and the cobalt blue, I don't want to use too much because it's too dark, I think. Okay, and some red, maybe red. Alizarin cleanser. Alizarin cleanser. You see, not so clear, right? Because my brush not too clear. You can mix a little. And warm orange, Orange got a very close color. It's brown sienna, just like the same. I think the brown sienna is darker orange, right? Warm brown sienna. And our rainbow close to the green, cerulean blue. If you want to more dark, yeah, a little. Intense blue, valor blue, Pikachu. Pikachu. Then some mix a little. Don't mix anything. This is your rainbow color. Then the pen. You don't care about. Maybe you can design something. It's all gray. A little gray here, right? And something. I can design this cool gray. Then you see, full pens and water. Then and very soft. Very soft. Don't put this. I just use the tip. Very soft. Oh, so pretty. Don't waste any pens, you know.
Sure.
No problem. Oh. Yeah. Oops. And don't use this.
No doubt.
No. Just I thought many students will paint this. 1,000 times is also same. I like this. You see, it's my strange. This day you will see my brush is very interesting. I will anytime I will put some interesting broken edge and see sometimes, and I will do some skill is this. Bigger, middle, a little scan something in the corner, something, okay? And you will go sometime if you paint more. Now I just want to. Yeah. Here, don't be afraid. See, everywhere, and all is cool gray, right? Maybe I can change it, become warm gray. You can mix some powder color. Then your color, your paint will become more.
Okay.
Yeah. Cream. Just like cream.
Oh yeah.
See, more cream. Okay. Don't care about what color to mix. Don't care about. But to make sure this may be bright. Okay. I'm gonna keep my bright. Follow your okay. It's dark, right? Keep it dark, no problem. And go back to the cool something. You see, cool, big size. Somewhere, some warm. If our pen is warm, somewhere is some cool inside. Mix some young blend, become gray. Very. Respect your any stroke. Respect. Now you feel the bright, interesting, and not everything, right? And now I think I don't want to, because every time you to look at, you will. Yeah, sometimes you have to go up. You have to do some adventure. So you don't need it. And face your painting. Don't care about what it is. Don't care. Now to do it perfect. Very sharp. I think it's very stupid. Maybe interesting, huh? Yeah. Broken age. Too stupid, you see? Stupid. And I think I don't need this. Not bad, but too much. Yeah. So that is one man game. You know? Can check.
Oh yeah.
Chess game.
Chess.
Yes.
Chess game.
Yes.
One man chess game for one man. You know, when I was young, well, when I was child, very sad. Why? When I think this thing, I think, poor boy. Why? I'm a born from a very poor family. So I save my money. You know, your mother will give you some money for breakfast, and I keep it to save my money to buy one thing, a book. One book.
Yes.
One man poke. For one man play poke.
Poker.
You know, poker can one man to play,
Yes,
right?
yes.
But the book is for one man.
Oh.
You don't need to find friend to play, right? You just one man, and you can alone play. That's I save my money. One man poker. So sad. So sad. Maybe yeah. I like to. I very enjoy alone. So I smaller the shiny the bright, but I think if I cross, not so good, right?
Yes. Need to. Yeah.
But now I turn this way. And the front is this way. But I don't care. Maybe I can turn this. No problem. Now I feel this much better. So I like this. So I use this to become a ending for you. Okay?
Oh.
You see, very interesting. And maybe too big. Can you close some? Not so. And okay, to make different bright shapes. One man chase. Warm. I think warm color is good. Cool color the cool will cut everything. So warm is better. Yeah, very similar like check, right? The chess. Very similar. I like go game. Japanese go game. No? Go.
Go game. Yes.
In the world, go game. No one game. If your kids, someone, yeah. If you have kids, no, very.
I have grandchildren.
Yes. Okay, grandmother. Okay.
Yeah.
And your grandchildren
7-year-old. Yeah.
And they will play the video game, right?
Yes. Yes.
Pokemon, yeah. Don't waste your time.
It is.
Introduce the Go game for your
Go game. Good.
yeah Go game.
Geo.
Black and
White.
yeah, black and white, just two. And you put that you never to move. So every put this just like you have to respond every.
I see.
Yes.
Oh yes.
It's very interesting.
Is it electronic?
But this year we know computer business champion. Korea champion, right? The world champion, Go game champion. I thought it become different game, no?
Wow.
Ah, interesting, huh? Far away to look.
Oh.
Not bad, right? You can hang on in your home wall. You see? Not bad. If you can catch your eyes, it's good for your health.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Interesting. Keep a big nothing. Yeah. This part is very important. No? If you put this all of stuff, no. Terrible. More and more you feel this gather, right? And this, maybe this prince here. Here. Right? But now it's very dangerous. Sometimes people will, you don't know when it's good
To
stop, right?
Yeah.
We always know, when you know you did a wrong thing, you always know 10 minutes ago is better.